really enjoy the process of it, because so that's us in Emily's basement working on the on the project. We had to work on the visuals, the product, the communication, and for us it felt really different as like a record cover project or like a smaller project, to be able to build a story, build a narrative around the brand, give ID to your clients, and have like a real ping pong for 6 months of work. So I won't go in deep details of like what we did. It was 10 years ago. But since then, since this project, I think that's the kickoff of the studio, really, and that's how we entered into the branding world. And we had strange feelings, because after the launch, the brand went totally huge in the US. They really like entered a market that didn't exist, and they were like a study case for many people in the cosmetic industry. And a few months later, Emily was millionaire, and we were not, because we refused the equities she was proposing at the beginning. So that's why graphic designers need maybe to study business a bit. I am very bad with business, but no, I can give you some advices if you want. But I can complain, because thanks to this project, it brings us a lot of visibility, and like we had no idea this project was going to be so huge. And thanks to this project, we are still now today, 10 years after, contacted by a lot of people.